Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen with an ice cream sundae. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pusheen, we're going to first start by drawing the top of her head. So I'm going to come here with a soft and short curve around top of her, center of her head, and we're going to go up for her ears. Round off the tip and bring it down. So same thing over here. Now from there, let's come down here and we're just going to draw 3 stripes for her. So I'm just going to start right in the center. And we're going to draw 3 stripes. Then from these 3 stripes, let's come straight down. Let's come down right here, say about right here. I'm going to draw her nose. So come straight down and about right here, I'll start. Give myself a point and a curve out. So for her mouth, her nose. And come in between here and draw a curve to connect it. And then we're going to go to the side and we're going to draw a big circle for her eyes. So same thing on this side. And let's come in here. I'm just going to give it a little highlight and shade it in. Same thing over here. There. So then let's go ahead and bring this down just a little bit more towards her eye and come down a little bit more over here. So that's about where her ear is going to be. And from this area, I'm going to bring out a curve for her back. So about right here, I'll start, kind of go up a tiny bit. And about right here, I'm going to start to bring it down. So then from there, I'm going to stop and start to draw the ice cream sundae. And so I'm going to come right under her eye. We're going to place the big bowl of ice cream sundae right here. So I'll start right here close to her mouth and her eye. And I'm just going to draw one big curve. About right there. And I'm going to draw the first scoop. So I'm going to bring this down. Nice big scoop of ice cream. So every scoop is basically the same, drawn the same way. So one big curve on the top, bring it 2 curves out on the sides, and then just go ahead and connect it. 2 softer curves. So let's go ahead and build that mound. So I'm going to come right under here and do the same thing. So all my scoops are about the same size. And then I'm going to add another one right here. So I'll start about right here. Stop there. So I'm aiming all to be level right here. So one more right here. There. So I have my main 4 scoops right here. And then I'm going to come right up in this corner and draw a cone. So, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to start about right here with an angle, round off my tip, and bring it back down. And then you can come in here some details, some cross lines, so we know it's a cone. There. And then you can go ahead and just finish this line off for Pusheen. Just bring it in. Okay, so from there, I'm going to start the back here so I know how low to bring this bowl of sundae. So I'm going to start bringing this down. And I'm going to bring it to about the same level. So about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So I know my sundae needs to come down a little bit more. So I'll come right here and just finish off Pusheen first. I'm going to draw his tail, her tail, I mean. And curve it in and out. And I'm going to put some stripes in here. So 3 stripes. And so then let's go back and finish the sundae. So I'm going to aim to have the sundae around where her tail is. So I'm going to come down here with one more layer. And I'm going to add a straight line across for our bowl. And give it a lip, so I'm going to round off the corner. And another straight line. So this is where, if you need your ice cream to be taller or shorter, this is how you would adjust your bowl. So I'm going to aim for this area, so I'm just going to come about right there. So about that tall is how my bowl is going to be. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. Then come in here with another curve right here to break up the scoop. And of course, I have to add a heart on my bowl. Making my jaw so cute. Ice cream from Pusheen. And let's go ahead and connect it. So in this area right here where the tail is, let's just draw a straight line to finish Pusheen off. And then let's come back in here and draw some details for Pusheen. So kind of where the eye is, I'm going to come about right here and draw 2 whiskers. And do the same thing across. So 1 and 2. And then come in here and we're going to draw the stripe. So 2 curves right here. And another one. Okay, and then last but not least, let's add a spoon for Pusheen. So I'm going to come right down here and just draw a spoon. So it's basically like an oval. And I'm going to add the handle. Round it off. And then come right in here and just add a little curve. There. And when you're coloring in this, you can decorate your ice cream however you want. So maybe I'll just add some circles here and there. Maybe this one's I don't know, a ribbon of caramel. It's all up to you. With some chocolate chip chunks. And maybe this one has some chocolate chunks. And maybe this one is like a rainbow sherbet or something, right? So it's all up to you. Have fun decorating your ice cream. And I'm going to add a heart right here because Pusheen loves ice cream. And that's pretty much it for this cute little Pusheen with her ice cream sundae. Hope you guys love how it turned out and inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.